You want some blueberries? Blueberries? Yeah. Recently, I've been drinking a spiced ginger tea in the morning as it is antiviral and really good for this time of year. The other day, I made this by just boiling ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and lemon in water, and then I poured it into a bottle to keep in the fridge for the week.
I'm drinking ginger tea.
Yeah? You want orange? And persimmon.
Say 5,
You want 5?
For breakfast, I've just been eating a simple oatmeal with chia seed pudding lately. I just mixed together some oats along with some soy milk and ground flax, and then I heat that up in the microwave. Then I add some peanut butter on the top, along with some fresh sliced banana and blueberries. And I've really been loving adding this chia seed pudding. It adds like a cool creaminess to the oatmeal, and I just think it tastes really good together. I like to make this ahead and keep a batch in my fridge to use throughout the week.
The oats,
You want oats?
the oatmeal, and packaging.
Ready? I mean, relax. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's What I Eat in a Day episode. Super excited about today's episode because it's been a while since I've done one. It was like a long time ago that I did like another real just plain What I Eat in a Day. The weather is super nice here in Barcelona still, even though it's December. So I'm just trying to spend a lot of time outside. So I'm gonna try to get in some movement right now. I'm gonna try to like do some stretching and yoga. I'm usually super active, working out several days a week, but I haven't been doing that because I'm like recovering from being sick for a few weeks. I think I'm just gonna try to do some stretches and see how that feels. I might still be a little bit too lazy to do this, but we're gonna try it. Ladybug. So for lunch I'm gonna make a salad. I really do eat salads all the time and I love them so much. I love just being able to throw a bunch of stuff together and make something delicious. I'm just gonna use some vegetables that I have in the fridge, some kale that I just bought, and we'll see what we come up with. This oil-free dressing is seriously so good. All I use is some hummus. Like I just scoop out, I don't know, like a tablespoon. Oh, that was a lot. Dijon mustard. And then just some balsamic vinegar. Almost forgot about my pomegranate seeds. So I feel like people can be one of two ways. You can be either like one of those people who just like eats the salad as is, which is like the broccoli's here, the tofu's here, and like you just like eat it like this, or you like mix it all up before you eat. I'm totally a mixer. Like I want everything to be coated with the dressing, so I'm gonna mix it. Here I go. By the way, I always, 100% of the time eat my salad with bread. It just adds so much to the salad and makes it just like so much more filling. The addition of pomegranate seeds is always good. Like that pop of sweet can really add like so much to a salad. Good news, you guys, it's time to make dinner. It's actually not dinner time, it's like mid-afternoon, but I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner. That way when my girls come home, I have more time to hang out with them and not to cook. So I'm going to make a dish that is typical in Spain. It's called lentejas castellanas. It is a dish that is made with lentils and originally made with chorizo and ham. Whenever I first moved to Spain, I tried this dish and I started making it a lot on my own with the chorizo and ham. Then I went plant-based, and then I kind of stopped making the dish as much because it didn't taste as good, obviously, without the chorizo. But I did find some chorizo at the supermarket. It's a really easy dish to make. If you have any kind of like plant-based meat like this that gives off a lot of flavor, it is really good. So, hello. Let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna have to take a little break because I have to go pick up my girls. I hope this turns out okay because it's kind of like in the middle of the cooking process, but we're gonna hope for the best. And I'll be back in a little bit with the boss ladies and we will finish out the day. Who wants grapes?
It's right here.
The persimmon is right here. You want this?
Persimmon.
Okay, I gotta cut it.
I can't cut it. That's a big one. A big one. Good.
I'm gonna let this cook with the lid off. Yeah, we're gonna eat these later. They're lentils. No? Girls, do you want to eat lentils tonight?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Good.
No, it's gonna be hot.
Mama cooking now. It's cold.
If you want, I can give it to you cold.
Here I added in the cooked chorizo towards the end of the cooking process. That's usually what you do with plant-based meats in order to get the most flavor.
Whoopsie. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh.
What are you gonna do with that, sweetie? Watch out. You wanna serve it? Hey! Whoa! Good job. Wow.
I was going down.
And we
I
will put some
want
right-
to mice too.
These lentejas castellanos turned out so delicious, and it was really super easy to make. The plant-based chorizo gave off a lot of flavor, and the dish was just super satisfying. My girls ate a lot of it, and they seemed to really enjoy it, whether they like to admit it or not.
Is it good? No?
Yes.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. I really hope that it gave you some kind of inspiration to get in the kitchen and make something delicious. And I cannot wait to see you guys
Come on, we
next
gotta
time.
put them on the tree. We gotta put these lights on the tree.
All together.
We do it all together. Come. Come on. You gotta come over here so we do it all together. Very good, baby. Yes.